don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amabenzo TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Orlando Pirates 0, Keswick Stars 0. Orlando Pirates is out via penalties. I'm joined by Umenier Wetiski. Unjez. Did you notice how quiet it becomes? It got quiet.
It says two is great. I guess you put two, but njengathi besiphutuma kuma penalties. Okay, Sibo. Asiqaleni lana. Yazi Sibo kahle kahle uma i-team iqasha ucoach. Sure. Like actually basuke beqasha ama ideas akhe. Hayi yena. Basuke befuna yini ama ideas akhe. Well, maybe omunye umuntu uzoba confused, ne? Ake sibuyele la Sibo based on ama 3 levels of management, sure. Of which is top level management, mid level management, and low level management eyintweni ezenzakalayo. Ngokwe top level management, this is whereby la sithola khona abaphathi okanye ama boss, for instance abaphathi be-Pirates, right? Lana basuke bethatha ama strategical decisions. For instance bazothi okay, this season maybe we want to win the Champions League, we want to win the league, now kama domestic cups, ne? But then kulama strategic decisions abo, they need to set i-target lengikhuluma ngayo. Bese bezothola ucoach ozokhona ukuthi enze njani meet la lama targets lawa wasethile, right? Ama boss akuphi akwi-top bese sibuyela kwi-mid level. Kwi-mid level this is whereby we take ama tactical decisions. Ilana ucoach aseqashiwe khona, ucoach ozokhona ukuthi a-align nani nama plans lawo esinawo as a team, right? So yena umsebenzi wakhe ukwenza njani uku-implementa okanye ukunikeza ukuza nani nama tactics azokhona ukuthi si-achieve layer target esethwe i-management. And then now we have low level management okuyini, it's an operational level. Le ifaka ama players kakhulu sekumele benze njani bethathe lama tactics lawa ama tactical decisions athathwe ucoach ne technical team yakhe benze njani bewa implement, because this is an operational level. Well, going back to lento beyitshela yona ukuthi i-team isuke iqasha ama ideas ka coach. From izinto engiobservile since ucoach efikile ne ama ideas akhe, ngiobserve ukuthi akasiyena umuntu obelievela kakhulu kuma ball players abantu esothi senze njani siyalinoka siya rotate, especially la central. Yes, uma sibuilder siyaqala si rotate but ama games amaningi si rotate kanjalo bese senze njani sidlala diagonal mostly ngani ngama center backs, ne? Okuyinto engicabanga ukuthi ama team ayasifunda kuyona, right? Okay, ngizobuyela kuleyo. Remember ngithena ucoach uyena oza nama ideas, ne? Ngine ishunyana with i combination kama Khawula as well as uMasindi. Ayiqali today game today, even game Sundowns yenzakalile lezi zinto lezi. Well, but ngizokhuluma ngegame ya today and then ama references amanye azobe based game Sundowns. Sibo, for instance, if uMakhawula edlala no Masindi, let's say ibhola likuMakhawula ziningi izinto ezirong ebezenziya nge-first half engicabanga ukuthi izona ezenza ukuthi size sifike la. uMakhawula ifephethe ibhola edrifter wide ezangala kwi-channel, because normally kufanele beme kanjani, kufanele beme so, right, be align so boy 2. So if uMakhehleni ethola ibhola ezangala mhlawumbe ezodlala ne-full back, ngathi mistake ngokwami ebiyenziwa uMasindi ubenze njani ubesuka enze njani abe more offensive, kusale la central, kusale uMakhawula usala A1. Kanti ngokomthetho kufanele ngalesikhathi uMakhawula esuka, remember ngalesikhathi uMakhawula ephethe ibhola uzolandelwa abantu abayi2 because vele la kwi traffic, right? So uMasindi kufanele ngabe uba smart ukuthi ngalesikhathi uMakhawula esuka elandelwa abantu abayi2 uMasindi kufanele ebuye ezovala le gap le eshiwo ubani eshiwo uMakhawula. So right leyo nto izokwenza iopponent ifile as if they are playing against an extra man okanye le team izidlala nayo ine extra man. If ukhumbula kahle kune video kaThabang Monare ekhuluma ngegame ababe esasidla ibafana ebidlala neFrance ukuthi ku difficult ukudlala nalabo abantu because uthi uyasuka uyomaka la sekunomuntu la emva kwakho. Umuthi uyacheka iSundowns igoli labo lesibili abalikorile versus iPirates. Umbuthumu besuke ethi uyopress. Umbuthumu amesuke ethi uyopress kube khona iplayer leSundowns lisuka lizovala le gap la umbuthumu kade khona. Already first line of defense isinjani isibreachiwe because ngalesikhathi umbuthumu epress yena bekungenamuntu obela but ngalesikhathi epress esuke ethi oAdams bayabuya beza la iSundowns yenze njani ijumpisa ibhola okanye idlala ibhola la espacing benze njani ba attack umdibo ushaya icross. So now i-challenge abekhona ileyo today understanding ayikho. Remember angazi noma lenkinga ikwi operational decision okanye ikwi tactical decisions. Remember ama decisions ngisayahluka. I'm not sure if instruction ayithola from i-coach okanye uyena ohlule ibona abahluleka ukwenza njani ukimplementa lama tactics lawa abeko coach. Ikhona enye issue ebekhona today enza ukuthi struggle okanye siluze ibhola la central. Sisuffocate space. If ngithi sisuffocate space sisuffocate kanjani? Siqale ngubani? Siqale ngoDe Jong, right? Siqala ngoMaswanganye. Between le two le kune jive khona okanye kune challenge khona. Remember kusakhona nobani noMfukeng. Le two le uDe Jong ezweleza uMaswanganye bathanda ukooperate kuphi la central. Lento egcina yenza yini ikhoza iconfusion. Remember ngikhale ngoMasindi ukuthi wenze njani naye uthanda ukadvance uadvance kuphi la central. Yabo sifise sinabantu abangaka la central sinoDe Jong sinoMaswanganye sinoMasindi. Umfukeng naye uthanda ukwenza njani uthanda ukusuka wide attack in sesinabantu abangaki abayi4. Ingakho kuba i-challenge la because senze njani sisuffocate ispace kule 3 le uDe Jong okanye le 2 uDe Jong noMaswanganye akekho like ofunayo ukuthi senze njani spread wide. So lonto le umuthi yacheck uMaswanganye uluza amabhola amaningi first half because uthi ubamba ibhola ne player lethu lila eduzane ikhazi kenze njani ispress la because sonke sekuphi sila leyo nto i-challenge because noMfukeng uyafuna ukubuyenza njani abuye eze la. So lento ibuyela back is it tactically decisions okanye ama operational decisions enza ukuthi sibe so. If ukhumbula there was a season kwiBarcelona la eBarcelona yasayina khona uZlatan edlala noMessi. Kuleyo season baba ne challenge because babekade bewine a season before babekade bewina ama trophy I think ayi6 following season I think bathenga uZlatan. If bethenga uZlatan bese bazomdlalisa noMessi kwaba ne challenge because uZlatan ubeyini original 9. He was not willing ukuthi njani enze ay wide but uMessi udlala wide ufuna ukwenza njani ungena la central bekukhozeka itraffic bebe suffocate ispace. Exactly lento yenze yakuphi kwiPirates. Is it tactical decisions or operational decisions? We don't know. Taking nothing away from iKazrik today sibonisile ukuthi ayisabi. I-goal kick yethu yokuqala i-team ukuze ubone ukuthi ayikusabi checka kwi-goal kick if be defend i-goal kick ukuthi benze njani basipressile abahlehlanga. So lonto bikutshela ukuthi benze njani abasabi. Sengiyivala Sithibo after game yeSundowns okay unfortunately angikhonanga ukushutha but abantu ebenginabo okanye bengikhuluma nabo ngabatshela ukuthi i-reaction yethu idinga ukuthi ibe better kule game yeSundowns because if singa react better sizoba ne challenge kwi-game yeNedbank. Le game yeSundowns ama results ayo if bezo react njengama fans sizoba ne challenge singenzeka siluze igame le yeNedbank kungenzeka siluze igame le yangi28 siluze la against iSundowns saluza today siyakuphi manje siye game yeChiefs. Le game le bisibonisa ukuthi i-reaction yethu ayibanga better from igame yani yeSundowns. Inkosi ithela umusa kubona bonke ababukeli nabalaleli. Siyabonga.
Thank you Minir. Thank you Minir.